Ay, pag nagpatukay guys, kung minsan nidin. Wacha. Wow. Ayaw talaga. May araw pa siya oh, pero ayaw siya umandar. Sinira ko talaga sa sasakyan ko. Sinira ko. Uy, ayaw niya oh. Ay, ano yun? Anong sinabi? Wala. Na-drain ko na naman. Ay, nako. Mukhang starter. Mukhang starter niya yata ang ano. Mukhang starter ang sira. Sana starter lang ang sira. Binanatan akong pag-check lang ng sasakyan. Ang diagnostic lang ng aking sasakyan na 140. OMG. Magkaroon lang naman ako sa isang yun lang naman ang aking luxury sakayan. Dahil ang aking sakayan dati noon ay tsinelas. Masubukan man lang ng ganun. Masubukan man lang ng ganun sa isang habang buhay ka na. Ang lamig doon sa labas, grabe. Guys, sa lahat ng na nanalo ha, napadala na ang yung mga Gcash. Kung giniginaw. Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am Chrissy Balitor Basisto. Hello po, madam. Salamat po sa Gcash nakaraan. You're welcome. Pinadala na sa inyo ha. Ano na yung taga-tukol? May tow truck. Hi. My car is at the back.
They said it don't start, right?
Yeah, but I jumped it and it doesn't work.
You try to jump it with a car?
Yeah,
This might work.
Oh, really?
It's weird. Yeah, it's weird how it works.
Oh.
I didn't see this jump over cars.
What?
Yeah, this
Look
is.
at that. Oh my God, 5,000.
It might work. Hopefully, it works.
Let's try that way.
Save you some time.
Because I did like I changed my charger and I changed a fuse on my car.
Okay.
I was suspecting that it needs to be reprogrammed. You think so?
Not for it.
Because I still use it. I came home and it's still working, and then it suddenly, yeah. And then when I jump it, and the fan start going, like going strong.
Your battery in the back, right?
Yeah,
Isn't it in the back or the front?
the front.
It's still in the front?
Yeah,
I thought these had ones in the back.
at the back. Whoa, da, da, da. Oh, I got it.
It's
Okay.
nice. I like this.
You like it?
Yeah, it's nice.
Ah, my baby. Hold on. I have to look for my key. Oops. Sana ma-fix niya guys. Kasi yung kanyang battery high voltage. The battery is higher voltage than mine. Let's see if he can fix it. Iba-vlog natin. Sige nga kung maayos niya. Sinong mas magaling? Siya o ako? Okay. I'm gonna open, right? Okay, where's the lever? Tuturaan niya ako. Okay.
It's a stand or something.
It just gonna hold itself like that on.
Oh man, I like this.
You like it? Thank you.
The battery.
And the battery is right here.
Oh, they covered it.
Yeah. I use this car as my tutorial on YouTube. And I fix my lights. I fix all those lights.
By yourself?
Yeah, and I changed this one. Can you believe that?
Oh wow.
I did that. Because they broke it. I was just following the YouTube.
Oh yeah, YouTube.
The YouTube is my teacher. I'm vlogging now, right now. Would you mind?
Hmm?
Are you okay?
What?
I'm not
Oh, vlogging?
putting your face.
Oh, yeah, yeah.
I'm on Facebook page.
You never thought about YouTube?
I have YouTube.
You got YouTube?
Yeah.
I got one too.
Oh, what's your name in there? Ooh, a spark.
I know. I want to make sure that this is. Yeah,
The red one, I guess.
this
Is,
is the.
well, the positive is right there.
It's the
On-
positive.
Yeah, that's a positive.
That's why it sparked like that. Though.
Uh-huh.
It's got the red right here, so I just assumed that.
Oh,
was
okay.
So
That's
this
what
is,
I thought before, but when I look at the sign, the positive is right here.
It tells you that somewhere.
Yeah, it was.
Oh,
yeah,
okay,
that
okay,
one.
okay. That's why. Okay.
Yeah,
that makes
yeah,
sense.
yeah. It's confusing.
I'm wondering.
huh?
I'm like, yeah, it is confused. They make these. They make these.
I know. That's pork like. What? Look at that. I need that.
It was only $100.
I have that.
$150.
Yeah. Oh,
On Amazon. Yep.
you want me to show you mine?
If you want to, it don't matter.
You think that's is almost the same? I will show you, okay? Magpaturo tayo, guys. You see, kunyari, guys, if you see, that's how you're gonna get the technique, guys. You pretend you don't know anything, so he gonna show you the secret, so he can get his secret, guys. Ah! That's me. I pretend I don't know anything, and then when he's tell me the secret, then I get the secret. So next time, you don't need to ask anything. Nakuha mo na ang kanyang power, di ba? You already get power. Magpaturo tayo, guys. Kunyari, wala akong alam. Okay na. This is mine.
What's the the amp on it?
Oh, there's a M.
Yeah, like so. This one, the amp is 15,
Oh.
1500.
Okay.
So I don't know what the amp is on this one.
Duracell. It doesn't say anything. Oh, that one. No?
Yeah, no, I don't see no.
It doesn't say anything, right?
Oh, 250.
250?
Yeah, 250.
Oh,
yeah.
it's low.
You could try to start it.
Start the car?
Yeah, it's on there.
Okay. Let me just put it in here. Diyan lang kayo. Manag kayo kung sige nga kung mag-start siya. Let's see if we could start it. Asa na naman ang aking ano? Susi? Oh, MG. Okay. Kasi ang kanyang starter, guys, ay 5,000. 2,500 lang pala sa akin. Nga. 1, 2, 3. The moment of your truth. What? What? Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! I just need the 5,000 volts. Mine is 2,000. It doesn't work. What? I need yours. I need yours. Can I have yours? You see, look, guys. ES 5,000. Oh, wow.
It's on Amazon for $150.
150 Amazon?
Yeah, Amazon, yeah.
What? So that one is better.
Yeah, I see
Because
this.
I even use my other car and it doesn't
The other
let it
car,
start.
right? Yeah, that's why I said this. This warehouse, this could be stronger than 2 cars. That's crazy.
Oh my god. So what do you think? My battery is still okay?
Your battery?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. Yeah. I mean, you can. If you're not sure, just take it to AutoZone, and they can test it. They can test your battery for you. They let you know.
But I already have a schedule on this auto care.
Oh, right
you
there?
think? Yeah.
Oh, you can take it over there too.
And
And tell them to check the battery.
Oh, for check the battery.
Yeah, tell them to check the battery. You can check the battery for you.
They were charging me 140 though
You check the battery.
for diagnostic.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Probably 'cause it's Mercedes. So what I would do is I would take it to AutoZone because they charge it for free.
Oh, they charge
AutoZone
you
free to test the battery.
to test the battery.
Yeah, they'll let you know if it's a good one or if you need a new one.
Oh.
And they'll charge it. They'll charge it for you.
You wanna be on my vlog?
Nah, I'm at work.
What's your YouTube?
Mizzy Vlogs. Mizzy Vlogs. Mizzy.
M-I-Z-Z-Y.
Vlogs.
Vlogs. Ah,
Yeah,
okay.
vlogs, yep.
Madam E.
I got subscribed to you.
Okay, let me see. Madam E.
M.
M-A-D-A-M. E. E. You have to give a space. Madam E. Yeah.
Like that.
Right. Yay!
That's you right there?
Found me. Yeah, that's me.
Oh, you got a lot of subscribers.
10.
That's a lot.
On Facebook, Madam E Vlogs. This one, 53.
Oh yeah?
53K.
53K?
Yeah.
Oh wow, you be doing it.
Yeah, it's just like taking me a year to build it.
Yeah.
During the COVID time.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I just started, so
Okay.
we gotta do a video.
I know. It's hard because if I'm busy all the time and it's hard to create a video.
Yeah,
It's hard to be a creator.
I was gonna start doing videos with the tow truck. I
Yeah,
got the tow truck. Yeah.
you vlog this one.
Yeah, I could have, right?
Yeah, you should.
We got other videos we can do. We can do some videos.
Yeah, you're doing this. You can just vlog
It's
because
hard. I would have to have something like on my head. Or
yeah,
something, like a camera.
every vlog, every time you do this, and
Record it.
yeah, record it. Look at me.
Yeah.
I'm
It's a
doing
nice
this
car though. I like it.
because once you monetize every video you make,
Oh,
you
yeah.
get paid
I'm already
with
monetized.
ads. Yeah,
I'm monetized already. Yeah.
yeah, do it.
Yeah, we gotta do some videos. I got your number, so we can do some videos.
Thank you,
That'll work.
Papi.
No
So,
problem.
this one is okay now?
Yeah, I would take it to AutoZone and have them check the battery for free before you take it.
Before that.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Because they're gonna charge you 140, the AutoZone will do it for free.
Oh, okay.
Alright? I
Oh
would
my
definitely
God,
try AutoZone
I'm
for free.
cold. See, my nose is dripping. My money is dripping too. My $1 money. Thank you so much.
I like this car.
Thank you. Where you live at? Live close?
I live in Glassboro.
Oh, live far. It's
Yeah,
not
like
far
no,
away.
it's not far.
Oh, thank you. Accept this one a little tip
Thank
for
you, I
me.
appreciate it.
Thank you so much. At least
No problem.
you know you didn't do it anymore. Thank you so much. I'm gonna get that.
Yeah, you gotta get this.
Yeah, that one
I got
is
you. I'm
better.
gonna help you. I'm gonna call you.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, thank you.
Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Na-start niya yung sasakyan ko. This one didn't work. Di happy ako ngayon, guys. Napaandar niya sa sasakyan ko. Napaandar ko. Try na tayo, guys. Yay! I'm happy. But I didn't sleep yet. It's already 10 o'clock. Whoever want to call me to work today, I don't think so. I have to go to work. I have to go to sleep later. Because it's already 10 o'clock. And you want me to work at 3 o'clock. I guess no way, Jose. I'm cold. Tignan niyo yung aking ilong. My nose is dripping because it's cold. It's just like Christmas time. Tignan nyo parang bagyo. This is like a bagyo, guys. Temperature na, guys, ng Baguio City. I'm cold. Ay, I'm happy. Nagawa niya talaga yung aking dalawang sasakyan. Biro mo itong sasakyan kong isa hindi gumana, tapos yung baterya ko yung aking charger hindi gumana. OMG. Bili pala ako ng ganun, 5,000 amp. I need to buy the 5,000 amp worth of $160, he said. I'm happy ako. Oh my God, tara na, guys. Tara na. Baka na naman hindi umandar na naman ito. Kailangan ko na naman siya. OMG. Biro nyo napaandar niya, wala pang 1 minute, samantalang yung aking baterya inabot, guys, ng inabot ng 1 hour na charge. OMG. mayroon tuloy akong kaibigan. I found a new friend, subscriber. He is my subscriber. Alternator. Okay. Ano na? Ba't ka huminto? Ba't ka huminto? Huminto siya. Uy, uminto siya. Anong gagawin niya doon? Mahal ang ano doon, di ako pupunta. 150 ang ano, ang diagnose lang. Pupunta ida-diagnose niya, tapos baka yung baterya ko lang guys ang ano problema. So punta muna daw ako doon sa ano. Tignan nyo. You see, I got his advice. I have to go to AutoZone and check my battery before I'm going to the mechanic. Isn't it that smart? Okay, we're gonna do that para hindi ma-waste ang $140 plus tax yun eh, 130 plus tax. So we could get away from the diagnostic ano fee, diagnostic charge. Okay naman na siya guys, oh. Mandar siya, di ba? Maarte lang talaga ito. Umaarte kasi malamig, no? Sana naman hindi ako ma-stuck yun sa ano sa work pag huminto na to. Kasi kahapon umandar siya eh, tapos biglang huminto. Huwag naman huminto sa gitna. Huwag naman huminto sa gitna ng ano. Pero okay siya, oh. Parang walay lang. Baka baterya lang o kaya I hope it's not a starter. Tignan natin guys kung ano, kung patay ako niyan. Ang aking ano pala, mababa ang kanyang amp. I should buy a higher amp. I'm gonna copy that. 5,000 amp guys. Amplifier versus 2,500. Mine is 2,500. Madali siyang mag-discharge. Nandyan pa kayo? Oh my god, di ba tuwang-tuwa ako? Pwede na akong mag-double guys, mag-triple. I can work double shift every day na guys. Ako ninenervyos pag wala akong sasakyan. OMG. Pero nyo yan, hindi ako nakapagpalengke ng isang linggo. Dahil wala naman dito tricycle. Uber lang. Hindi naman ako marunong mag-Uber. Hindi pa ako nag-Uber, no. Ang Uber ko ay private. Sina Madam G. Sina Madam G tsaka yung mga ex ko, mga Uber ko. Mga pa-thank you lang. Thank you. The free Uber is thank you. Tara guys, tignan natin kung anong nangyari sa aking baterya. Let's go to the... Gusto niya yung sasakyan ko. Nagustuhan niya yung sasakyan ko. Makulay siya kasi puro red. Red na red. Gusto ko rin ito kasi nung una kong nakita ito, first sight ako eh, kahit na meron siyang tuklap. Pag bumibili kayo ng kahit anong bagay, kunin nyo guys yung yung may tuklap kasi magde-depreciate yung ang presyo. Tapos paggawa nyo, perfect ulit. No. Ganun lang yon, utak lang yon. Utakan lang yan guys. Bakit kayo bibili ng ng kompleto tsaka mahal-mahal, dito ka na lang may damage tapos paggawa mo, di ba? Meron akong kagaya ng sinabi ko dati, mabinili ako doon sa sa jewelry shop na mubado. Meron siyang gas-gas. Sabi ko may gas-gas, nag-depreciate. Ayun na siya guys. The moment of your truth. Oops. Tignan natin guys kung what is the problem. Is the problem the battery? Try nga natin guys. Libre yata magpatingin ng baterya eh. Basta tuwang-tuwa ako guys. Umandar pala yung sasakyan ko. Akala ko sira na. AMG. Ako ninenervyos. Alam mo pa naman yung mga tao pag ano, pag ganong sasakyan mo, akala ko mo na milyonaryo ng tawag sa ang tingin sa iyo. Yung pala ano, laman ng bitoka i-asen. Tignan natin, guys. Oops. Baka hindi na mag-start ang aking sasakyan. OMG. OMG na. OMG. Lagot. Patay ako na. Nandito tayo, guys, sa ano to, AutoZone. AutoZone, nandito guys, lahat ng gamit nila, guys. Mga bling 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 ng mga car. $6. Try natin, guys, yung baterya ko kung umaandar. Battery destination. Akala ko yung pinalitan ko yung ano niya, akala ko pinalitan ko yung ano niya, yung charger niya. Kasi pinalitan ko yung charger dati, tapos yung mayroon siyang chip doon sa loob. Dalawa ang pinalitan ko. Sabi ko, oh my god, na-miss up ko na yan. Hindi pala. Better believe to the ano, Pro. Okay, nakikicopy lang, guys. Natututo lang ako doon sa ano, sa YouTube University. At least nakikinabang tayo sa YouTube University, no? YouTube University with free teacher. Google.com. Ayan sila, guys, oh. Kompleto ang gamit dito, guys, oh. Ay, kukuha pala ako ng ano, defroster ng ano, ng sasakyan. Meron dito, guys, yung pag nag-ice yung sasakyan mo, bili ka lang ng ice defroster, sprayan mo lang siya, magme-melt yung ice, guys. Ay, ito de-icer. Mga ganito, de-icer siya. Frozen leaks. Mga ganyan. Wipers. For windows and wipers. Ito, pwede mo lang pangkaskas. Kaskas mo na lang siya ganun. Sprayan mo tapos hindi ka na hindi ka na magkaskas. For windows and wipers. The icer. Oh my god. Ako na may natuwa, guys. Ito yung sa kanya, oh. Parang ganito, oh. Roadside kit. Where did you buy that? Amazon. He said Amazon. 15 amp. OMG. Hindi na tinaw yung aking sasakyan. Haray, haray. Mag-ano tayo, guys? Mag-goodbye na tayo, guys. See you na lang next time. Oh my god, nervous ako. Try ko pa nga yung sasakyan ko kung umandar. I'll try again. I don't wanna get stuck in here. Try natin, guys. Sige nga kung mag-start pa. Paktay ako dyan pag hindi nag-start. Lagot ako dyan pag hindi nag-start. The moment of the truth. Oh shit. Paktay ako, hindi na umandar. Stuck ako ngayon dito sa AutoZone. Loko-loko ka. Patay ako. Stuck ako ngayon sa AutoZone. Kita niyo? Wala. Lukong mamang yun, Ngayon, na-stuck ako. Patry. Pangit. Sana hindi ko na pala in-stop. Patay ako ngayon. Paano ako makauwi? Oh shoot. Oh shoot. Tatawagan ko ulit siya. Ano naman akong telepono. Tawagan ko ulit. O sige na guys, mag-end na ako guys. Hindi na umando ng sasakyan ko. Na-stuck na ako dito sa AutoZone. Pakita ko nga ang aking aking. Guys, ayan na umando. Oh, patay ako ngayon. Patay ako ngayon. Patay ako ngayon. Patay ako ngayon. Hindi na umandar talaga sa sasakyan ko. AMG. Nagnenok pa ako ng dinala ko sa labas ito, hindi ko pa binayaran. Oh, patay. Baka sabihin nagnenok na ako. AMG. Bye na guys. I'll see you next time. Hi, my car, they just started my car and it works, and now it died in there. So
Is there any engine lights on?
Engine lights.
Yeah, up here.
Yeah,
where
yeah.
There's a light on.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you think it's the battery? Can you check the battery for me, please?
Yes, I will check. Give me
All
one
right.
second.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Maybe the battery is the problem. I hope. I hope. Patay na naman na. Okay, we're gonna put a date on this battery because it was just replaced an hour ago, so you know when your battery expiration. Alright, that is 10. So I'll know when it's gonna be replaced next. Probably not until maybe up to 3 to 5 years or more. Okay, that's been replaced for covered warranty, guys, and we're all set. We are all set, guys. Close it. Okay. Now the other one. Alright. That's quiet. See that, guys? Very quiet now. My alternator is ready to go. It's moving. Our brand new alternator. Thank you for watching, guys. Wow, over the end.
Yeah.
Hi guys! Ipiplex natin guys ang Korean store. This is Korean store. I'm just gonna flex what they have, guys. Mango, green papaya. Oh, maybe I want green papaya. Oh, aloe vera. Coconut. Puso ng saging, guys. Banana heart. Gabi, dahon ng gabi. Kompleto pala kami dito, guys. Kailangan mo lang pala ng Korean store. This is Korean store. They have everything. Avocado, lemon, lime. Ganyan siya, guys. Ginger, garlic. I need garlic agad. Okay, ikot tayo, guys. Ito yung gabi ng bundok. Yan yata yung, ewan ko yan kung 5-5. Hindi yan 5-5, guys. Tingnan nyo, guys. Anong tawag dito, guys? Anong tawag dito? Mga sili. Aha, bumili ako ng okra. Tsaka hilaw ng peanut kasi gusto ni Dia yung gusto ni Dia yung peanut. Okay, nandito lahat sila guys. Peas, okra, iba-ibang klase ng mushroom. Ayan guys. Mushroom, iba-ibang klase ng mushroom. Masarap ito guys. Gusto ko yan. At saka ito. Ano siya? King oyster mushroom. Okay, ano pa guys? Ikot tayo. Bumili ako nito. Yung bamboo shoot. Ilaga mo lang yan guys. Lagyan mo ng chicken powder sa lagaan. Pwede mo nang kainin. I love this place guys because they have all kinds of vegetables and I love the vegetables. Kamuti. Mas mura pala dito ang kamuti guys. $1.99. Ito alokbati. Sanchoy is alokbati. Ito guys, galing sa bundok. Wasawas, parang wasawas yan eh. Naalala nyo to guys. Parang nakikita lang ito sa bukid guys eh. Yan. Yan, kompleto siya guys. I bought this one for my kids guys because they love this one. Lumaki sila ng ganitong drinks guys. Mango, lychee, lime, tsaka vitasoy. Tsaka ito guys, vitasoy. Healthy drinks guys. Pero tinatago ko dun sa loob ng sasakyan kasi iniinom nila the whole day yan guys. Hindi yan abutin ng magdamag. Pagluluto ako ng ganito guys, mukhang nagugutom ako ngayon. I'm hungry today. I'm cooking that. And the peanut and sinigang luluto natin guys dito. Yung gabi. Luto tayo ng sinigang baboy. Oshi guys. Oshi. Nandito guys yung pagkain ng oh my god. Gusto nila itong mga guys. Gusto ng mga anak ko itong mga to. Clover chips. Masarap din itong clover chips na to eh. Barbecue corn snacks. Nasaan na yung cheese? Masarap yung cheese. Okay. Corn, sweet corn. Ito yung favorite ni Dio. Sweet corn. Masarap-sarap nga naman ang lasa nito guys. Pero i-stock ko siya sa bahay guys. Alright. My car is already fixed so I'm buying snack for my kids. Nagutom kami ng 1 linggo guys. Dahil hindi ako namalengke. Wala akong sasakyan. Okay guys, I see you next time. Kuha tayo ng Japanese rice. Gusto ko yung rice. Ang presyo ng rice dito guys, ang 45 pounds ay tignan natin yung rice. Ang 45 pounds ay mahal. Nasaan na yung yellow kukuho? Uy, mahal ang kukuho, 16. Mahal ang kukuho guys, 16. Uy, 39, 40 yung yung mahal naman yun. Pero masarap yung yan guys, na rice na yan, Japanese rice. Malambot kahit wala kang ulam. Sarap siya kainin. Okay. Kahit ito guys, Pero mas mahal to. Tignan nyo guys, $60, $60 ang presyo na. Pero ito yung ginagawa nilang, sushi. This is what they use for sushi guys. Tignan nga natin ang jasmine rice. Dear jasmine rice. Mas mura guys ang jasmine rice, 26. Magja-jasmine rice na lang kami guys. Muna. Try natin yung jasmine rice. Per bag. Ano yan? Made in Thailand. Okay. Try natin itong jasmine rice guys. Bakunnay. Bakunnay? Oo. Hindi kaya yan peking rice. Magkaiba sila ng may jasmine rice din na ganyan pala, mas mahal Oo. Ano yan, original tsaka peke? Joke lang. Okay, magkakaiba sila ng... Asan na yung ano? Masarap yung isang rice na yon. May hinahanap akong rice na masarap din. Ah, ito yung mga ano, sushi rice. Ay, sweet rice. Yan yung sweet rice. Ah, wala.